Okay, I just wanted to show you guys what I ended up coming up with. Something a little bit closer to what I actually wanted. I ended up scrapping the prickly pear illustration altogether. Added in, you know, this cow and the fish. We still have our wheat outline. I added in um, an extra circle there. I have kind of a mountain graphic right here that I added in. And then I got this color scheme from online. I actually, where did I find it? Where was that? Well, I found a color scheme online and I brought, oh, there it is. So it's not very big, but I mostly used this color scheme right here. And then I did take like a few random samplings from other ones too. But this is the final product. I just wanted to show you guys what I ended up coming up with. I think this will look good on the side of a building on campus. Yeah, I think it makes sense too for people that are from Montana. Some people might be like, why is there a cow and a fish on that? But you know, we're kind of an outdoors state, and if they may not understand that this is a mountain right away, but I think it's, you know, I think it's still, some people might understand that this is a mountain. If not, it's just kind of an abstract shape. But and then I kind of contrasted the round with the squares. So I think it's looking pretty good. And hope you guys come up with something that I hope you guys have fun with this project is the main thing. It is actually a pretty fun project. It's just a lot of color and a lot of shape. So, and that's kind of what Illustrator's all about. So anyway, we will see you soon. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.